Good evening. So the main theme for this evening is about the illusion. We could say all kind of illusions we are living in, we want to live in, or we are trapped in, which we tend to take for reality.
Glavna tema za nocoj je iluzija. Lahko bi rekli vse vrste iluzije, v katerih živimo, v katerih hočemo živeti ali v katerih smo ujeti in ki jih zamenjujemo za resničnost.
The world within which we are living, all the perceptions that we have, we tend to do not challenge them. We tend to never ask ourselves what is the true nature, what is the true mode of existence of all these experiences. We think that these experiences are coming from the outside, that they are truly existing the way they seem to appear to us.
Nikoli se ne vprašamo v svetu, v katerem živimo, o svojih zaznavah, ki jih ponavadi imamo. Nikoli se ne vprašamo, kaj je prava narava, pravi način obstoja vseh teh izkušenj. Mislimo, da te izkušnje prihajajo od zunaj, da v resnici obstajajo tako, kot se nam kažejo.
But is it so? Is it so that these phenomena have an existence which is outside of us? When it rains outside, is it only an external phenomena? The way we perceive the rain outside, is it as it appears to be, or part of another type of experience, of our own mind?
Ali je res tako? Ali res vsi ti pojavi obstajajo zunaj nas? Ko zunaj dežuje, ali je to res samo zunanji pojav? Način, kako zaznavamo dež zunaj, ali je to res tako, kot je, ali pa gre za drugačno vrsto izkušnje našega lastnega uma?
The way we perceive ourselves, the way we build an image of ourselves, does it really represent who we are? Does it really give the entirety of who we could be? Most probably not. Most probably we are living in a type of big illusion, believing in a certain amount of phenomena which seems to exist in one way, which might function within a certain sphere of reality, but which ultimately are mere results of our own mind. Thus, we say that the true nature of all phenomena is of the same nature of our own mind.
To, kako zaznavamo, dojemamo sami sebe, kako si gradimo podobo o sebi, ali to res ponazarja, kdo v resnici smo, ali res daje popolno sliko o tem, kdo bi lahko bili. Po vsej verjetnosti ne. Po vsej verjetnosti živimo v veliki iluziji. Verjamemo v določene pojave, ki se zdijo, kot da obstajajo na določen način, ki mogoče deluje na določeni ravni resničnosti. To, da na najvišji ravni so le rezultat našega lastnega uma. Zato rečemo, da je prava narava vseh pojavov enaka naravi našega lastnega uma.
When we go a little bit again in the understanding of karma, of how everything is coming into reality, we understand that our mind is creating a certain amount of causes, a certain amount of energies, which combined with other type of energies created also by our own mind, comes to give a result. As a result, we have an experience of any of our 6 senses, 5 physical senses and 1 mental sense. So, when we think, when we do think, we create an energy, a cause, an imprint, which will mature as it combines with other type of energies, causes, imprints, and give a result in our sphere of perception.
Ko se spet nekoliko poglobimo v razumevanje karme, v to, kako vse postaja resničnost, dojamemo, da naš ustvarja določeno število vzrokov, energij, ki v kombinaciji z drugimi vrstami energij, ki jih prav tako ustvarja naš dajo rezultat. In ta rezultat je izkušnja vseh naših 6 čutil, 5 telesnih in 1 umskega čutila. In tako, ko razmišljamo, ustvarimo energijo, vzrok, vtis, ki bo dozorel, ko se bo združil z drugimi vrstami energij, vzrokov in vtisov in bo dal rezultat v našem polju zaznavanja.
It's important to remember this mechanism again and again, because at first glance we cannot really apprehend this mechanism, understand how we come to perceive phenomena. Because we are used since lives and lives to think in one way, to perceive in one way, to believe that whatever is perceived exists from its own side. So we need a little time between the moment we intellectually understand it might be otherwise, till the moment we experience this understanding.
Zato je pomembno, da se vedno znova spomnimo tega mehanizma, ker na prvi pogled ga ne moremo dojeti, ne moremo razumeti, kako zaznavamo pojave, saj smo življenje za življenjem navajeni razmišljati in zaznavati na določen način. Navajeni smo verjeti, da vse, kar zaznavamo, obstaja samo po sebi. Zato potrebujemo nekaj časa, da bomo prešli od intelektualnega razumevanja k izkušnji tega razumevanja.